Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to print Excel sheet on one page. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. To print a large Excel sheet on one page, click File and then Print, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl P. As you can see, the total number of pages of the document in the original scale is 8. To have all the data printed on only one page, select Fit Sheet on one page. And all 8 pages are displayed on only one page. If necessary, we can place all columns or all rows on one page. As you can see, these options are in the same drop-down list. We can also use landscape orientation for printing, but not in this case. And in addition, sometimes you can expand the print area to increase the size of the data on the page. Click Page Setup, go to the Margins tab, and here we reduce the distance from the top, left, right and bottom. We do this carefully because if the print area is large, the printer may not print the information on the edges. And so that the text is strictly centered, select these two checkboxes, horizontally and vertically. Click OK, and now it remains to press the print button. It's all, now we know a little more.